Bob, how about at ServiceNow, when you look sort of across that globe, right, on the government sector, give us an example of a really cool, use case that you'd like to highlight.
Well, I think that really what we're hearing, and Erica highlighted it, Jim was right on point, as well as Greg, is how technology is enabling people to do things better, right? So we're conditioned in our everyday lives to have virtual assistants at our fingertips, and now even voice commands, right? So we interact with technology by speaking to it, and we get this response to answer a question or solve a problem that we have. The problem is we don't know where that data came from, right? So to Jim's earlier point, it's really critical as we start to integrate more information provided through technology that we understand that this is trusted data from trusted data sources. And we call that the source systems of record, right? Mm-hmm. So if you normalize from systems of record that are trusted within the computing environment into a normalized data repository, now you can have this virtual assistant capability where the trust factor for the solution that's being proposed to help the people make decisions or answer a question or take an action is a much higher level of confidence. And that's where I see a lot of adoption in governments around the world, because as all of our panelists have mentioned previously, the amount of data that's being processed now and the amount of information that's available is beyond human ability to not only catalog, but also search through to find a solution within an acceptable time frame, within a decision or a process or an activity within a process. So we have to rely on computers to help us do that. Virtual assistants provide that. That's what I referred to earlier as contextual information, but it has to be from trusted data sources. So that's a path we're on. We see that adoption rising every day in the curve, and we're really excited to help agencies achieve those outcomes.